Hello, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in your video using Camtasia Studio. So let's get started. This is actually a little bit confusing how to add text in video because there are many types of shape available in annotation section. Between this one and this one, these two are very much similar. One text is small size and another is big. Suppose we add this one. If we select this one, we can change our text size manually. For this time, we select this and drag it here. Always remember, put your text over your video. For this, we can see text on our video. To change this text, simply click here and double click in text. Then our text is highlighted. Now type whatever you want. Now scratch it. To change the font size, you can scale it here. There are also alignment options available. This is the standard font of the text. If you don't like this text, then you can easily change the text style by click on here. There are many types of font available. Simply click any of these. Then we can make it bold, bold italic, and regular. To change the color of this text, simply click on here. You can change your text color. Suppose we add this type of shaping text in our video. Not only that, by selecting all, we can see all of this shape available in Camtasia Studio. For this time, we add this one. Now drag it here. For change this text, simply double click on your text. Our text is highlighted. Now again type whatever you want. Okay, done. In the same way, we can change our text from here or can change our color. If we want to change color of this shape, then click on this annotation properties. Here we see the blue color of this shape. We can easily change our shape by clicking here, or using pen tool, simply click here. Simply click on pen tool and then select any of this color. Now we can also change the opacity by dragging this. Also can increase thickness opacity. We can also change shape by using this drop down menu. We also can use any of this text and customize this by using the properties section. So guys, in this way, we can easily add text in our video using Camtasia Studio. Thanks for watching.